Hey guys, I wanted to show you what's in my favorite Ipsy box. First we have this serum, it smells so good. And then we have this gorgeous palette. Everything in this box is sort of pink themed, which I thought was really cute. So we have these really pretty eyeshadows that I'm actually thinking to do a look with. And then we have this Iyansa face cream that's also pink. And then we have these two eyeliners in black and white. The white one is actually really shimmery and kind of faint, but the black one is really pigmented. Then we have a set of 3 eye brushes, and I love how Ipsy always gives you 2 cute bags with each box. So in the smaller one we have a clay mask, an antioxidant serum, this gorgeous lipstick, MAC Fix Plus setting spray, and this Benefit of Roller Lash Mascara, which I love the wand on this one. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.